this video. What's up and welcome back on today's adventures of Adventures with Hobbs. Sometimes that gets your tongue twisted. Anyway, so check this out. Anybody's been watching this channel for a long time or any time at all, they know that my back window is plastered with Adventures with Hobbs. And I was riding through town one day and this guy was like, hey, I just saw you through town. I thought I'd check you out. He's been a subscriber. We've actually been talking and we've been planning this trip for a little while now. And both times it just something happened. Well, today we're going fishing and it's actually a subscriber taking me fishing, but in my Hobbzilla. So anyway, we're waiting on him now. It's 7 o'clock. It gets dark just a little after 8, so we only got like 1 hour to catch fish. So he'll be here in just a minute, and we'll see you in the water. How deep is this?
I have no idea. It's an old coal pit. I'd say it's deep.
All right.
There's a car underwater over by the dam.
All right, guys. So
Missed the curve. Hello.
so this is Jamie, and actually how we met is he saw my windshield on the back of my truck in town, and we just started talking. This is a private pond lake, and I just got permission to fish it anytime I want to. So I'm not going to tell you where we're at because I don't want y'all coming stealing my glory here. But anyway, so you said your brother caught a 9-pound out of here?
Yeah.
A 9-pound bass out of here. And right before we walked down here, they were just hitting top water. I do have the Hobbzilla out here, so we'll throw around the bank a little bit. If we don't get none, we'll throw the Hobbzilla in the water and drag it around a little bit. So
We'll catch fish.
we're definitely gonna catch a fish somewhere around here. Now, is this your, like, I know this is your mom's property here. Like, we can walk around?
We can walk any of it.
Any of it?
Yeah, I usually walked all the way down to the corner and then back around.
All right. See, Tennessee, y'all people don't play around y'all's places. Y'all shoot people. Like, and like Florida does the same thing, but there ain't no place to hide them. Up here, y'all got hills, mountains, and you know, so y'all got places to hide people, hide bodies up here. There's water all over this place, so we're trying to get a fish to hit. There's another guy fishing across the bank over there. Got a lot of vegetation.
Oh.
Oh, I see what you done tied up over here. That worm.
Yeah.
The one that he gave me and said, here, try it. And I ain't tried it yet. I'm over here throwing horny toes and he's over here throwing his secret sauce. And he gave me part of that secret sauce and said, here, try it. So how do you work that one now? Because like I said, I've seen them, but I've not.
The way it, you just slowly reel it in.
Oh, that was, okay, I got you. Oh, look at here.
They got a weedless variant. I didn't get it. That's more partial to these.
Yeah. That's crazy. I've never even seen a worm like that. I mean, I've seen it like here recently, but never seen one. I've never seen anybody work it.
Yeah, I just slowly reel it in. That's why I prefer spinning over a bait caster with these, because the bait caster just rips it through the water.
Yeah.
And this, you can control the speed of the worm.
Yeah, I've had, since I started the YouTube channel, I've had the luxury of actually owning some nice rod and reels now.
Yeah.
Instead of the Walmart. Oh. instead of the Walmart specials. And so I have to slow down because like these gear ratios are way different.
Man, that's me. I used Shakespeare. $20 combo.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what just happened.
Then I got into bait casting. And then I quit bass fishing.
Yep. I'm not opposed about jumping in the water hiding from a dog now.
Got one.
Oh, little feller. My worm is as big as you are, almost. Make sure I get in a good picture there.
Thank you, buddy, for biting. You don't want these, right? I'm glad I just did that. Big old, that's a good fish right there, buddy. On that secret sauce?
Yeah. Secret sauce.
He gulped it, didn't he?
Oh, yeah.
Just chomped down on it. Nice. Nice fish, buddy. Heck yeah. I mean, he did tell me, use it.
Yeah. There's your panfish.
That's a big one.
That's bigger than a frying pan I got in my kitchen any day. That's a slab for sure, man.
Yeah.
Got a jump. That's secret sauce. Oh, he left me. It's 2-2. That's a good bass there. I've never fished with these style of baits. And this guy, Jamie, he's fished here his entire whole life. And he said, this is what they like. So I put it on there, and that's what got it. And he's got himself hooked good. I was kind of skeptical about it because of the way it's rigged up, but I mean, he's hooked up, and it's a good hook set for sure. These bass are really young. See if y'all can see that chunk right there. Bam! Big old chunker. Oh. Tail's bleeding a little bit. See that?
Got you in a bottle of water. Good.
Yeah, that All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We ended up fishing about 30 minutes, and I caught 2 bass. He caught a bass and a big old slab of a brim or shell cracker. I forgot what it was, but that jerk was huge. That was huge, man. I've only seen one like that in my lifetime, and that was caught with a cast net. But anyway, I appreciate you bringing me out here. It's a beautiful place you have. And I can't wait to come out here. Maybe next time we'll bring the Hobzilla, or we got the Hobzilla. Maybe next time we'll put it out there and troll it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so anyway, hope you like this short little video. Give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment, tell me what you think, and be sure to subscribe. Until then, we'll see you on the next adventure. Up here, you big swamp donkey, you. Oh, he got that twice. There he goes. Well, he's a fat swamp donkey too, short and fat.